Did you guys have any idea that the events of Iron Man 2, Incredible Hulk, and Thor all happen in the exact same time within the universe? This means that three separate locations on Earth face the destructive wrath at the same time. And what about the time when Chris Evans turned on the main role 3? Number 10. Yak Arrow. Now, this is a weapon that has a whole lot of range. We saw Yondu absolutely massacre what were about 100 or so guys in Guardians of the Galaxy Volume 2 with just this one arrow, and all within a couple minutes. The wielder of the Yaka arrow doesn't even need to be physically present in the area to attack the victim, which means it can be used from any place. Just a single hit is lethal to common beings, although it most likely can harm superheroes like Captain America too. The disadvantage of this arrow though is that without the fin that controls it, it is completely useless. Using the fin also requires an extreme level of mastery, making the Yaka arrow difficult to use. Number 9. The Tesseract. Infinity Stones are masked in all shapes and sizes. For the Space Stone, the Tesseract concealed its true identity until it was crushed by Thanos. The Tesseract is mainly used to open gateways in the universe, which can be used for interdimensional travel. Red Skull was seen using the Tesseract, but it teleported and trapped him on the planet Vormir. Loki was also seen using the Tesseract in the Avengers when he opened a portal, allowing hundreds of Chitauri soldiers to invade New York. While the Tesseract contained immense power, it became even more powerful when it was combined with other Infinity Stones. Number 8. Thanos' double-bladed sword. This sword went unnamed in Avengers Endgame, but it's a shame we didn't get to find out more about its properties because the sword was incredibly powerful. Thanos wielded it with a winning streak of almost 100% until Scarlet Witch was able to beat him. With Thanos' strength, the sword was able to destroy a vibranium sheet, something no one has ever witnessed in the MCU. It was durable enough to withstand attacks of literal towering boulders by Scarlet Witch and could harm even Captain Marvel. Thanos beat all three of Iron Man, Thor, and Captain America with the sword, and Iron Man's snap is the reason why the sword didn't prove to be the winning factor for Thanos. Number 7. The Stormbreaker. Following Mjolnir's destruction in Thor Ragnarok, Stormbreaker has assumed the number 1 spot in Thor's personal arsenal. Armed with his souped-up battle axe, the Odin son nearly defeated Thanos single-handedly in Avengers Infinity War, if only he had gone for the head. Fast forward to Avengers Endgame and the inevitable rematch between Thor and Thanos, and things pan out in reverse with the Mad Titan quickly overwhelming the God of Thunder. Indeed, Thor very nearly loses his life in the encounter when he finds himself on the wrong end of Stormbreaker's blade. Number 6. Black Panther's suit. With its razor-sharp claws and kinetic energy pulses, Black Panther's vibranium weave bodysuit is as much a weapon as it a protective outfit. So after Eric Killmonger wrestles the Black Panther mantle from its current bearer, T'Challa, it wasn't long before he kitted himself out in the cutting-edge cat costume associated with the role. Luckily for the denizens of Wakanda that Killmonger sought to rule over, T'Challa still had a panther getup on his own. This made it possible for him to square off with his enemy on an equal footing, and the second time around, the true heir of the Black Panther legacy came out on top. Number 5. Thor's hammer Mjolnir. Before it was destroyed in Thor Ragnarok, the God of Thunder's enchanted hammer Mjolnir was arguably the most celebrated weapon in the MCU. Whosoever holds this hammer, if he be worthy, shall possess the power of Thor, is the enchantment Odin placed on Mjolnir. It was also fun at parties in Avengers Age of Ultron, Earth's mightiest heroes bantering about the rules of who was actually worthy to lift it, and then playing a game of actually trying to heft Munir endured and human friends to Thor. You are all not worthy. The god of thunder mocked his friend, and it's notable who completely failed to lift the hammer, including Tony Stark, James Rhodes, Clint Barton, and Pietro Romanoff. Finally, in the Avengers Endgame, he gets both his axe and the hammer, which completely turned around the situations. Number 4. Captain America's shield. While the shield is usually known as a symbol of Captain America being a defender of the earth and is used mostly by the superhero when blocking attacks, it is lethal if Cap wants it to be. That's because the shield is made of pure vibranium, and that can destroy such as entire tanks. We have seen Captain America destroy alien ships, almost all of Hydra's weaponry, and defend himself from extreme height falls and bomb blasts, all with this shield alone. Avengers Endgame showed us beings like Thanos are capable of destroying it, which brings the shield down a few points below in this list. Number 3. Sling Ring. Doctor Strange was always preoccupied by other things during Avengers Infinity War and Avengers Endgame to include himself completely in a fight, and this was done deliberately by the directors because the sling ring was too powerful a weapon. Doctor Strange used it so very far away on Titan to open a portal to Earth, and he could do it anywhere he wanted. The sling ring can be summoned to decapitate an opponent within seconds, and it can also be used to send the opponent anywhere the wearer wants them. With battlefield removal in one's kitty, any fight can be an instant win. The only thing keeps this from the top is the fact that one has to be wearing the sling ring for it to be usable. Number 2. Vision hands the Mjolnir. Given the dubious circumstances surrounding Vision's creation, he was built by deranged murderbot Ultron. He initially needed to convince the Avengers that he was on their side. The thing was, he didn't have a whole lot of time to explain himself, as Ultron was about to set his earth-shattering evil scheme into motion. Fortunately, Vision soon stumbled upon the perfect solution when he casually handed Thor his hammer, Mjolnir. Thanks to the enchantment preventing Mjolnir from being handled by unworthy individuals, the team immediately reached consensus that their new acquaintance more than deserved a place within their ranks. Number 1. The Infinity Gauntlet. When you have got the power to snap away all the creation in the universe in your hands, could any other weapon measure up? With all 6 Infinity Stones inserted, the Infinity Gauntlet has no limits to it. We don't need to list its feats, as the gauntlet can literally do anything the wielder wants. If the person wants to destroy everything, they can do so. If the wielder wants to create life within seconds, even that's possible in a flash. With the powers of time, space, reality, mind, power, and the soul itself, the Infinity Gauntlet is the supreme weapon in the entire Marvel Cinematic Universe and the Marvel Multiverse as well. And that would be all for today's video, guys. I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to give it a like, subscribe to the Unleashed for daily spooky content, and also comment down below which of these shows ruined your childhood. Until next time, keep vibing.